This is the first sunny day we've had in a long time. What are you doing? Hey. Racer, go easy. You ended up getting it after all. Gill? Hey, baby boy.
We were going through our we were going through it together. Deanne was such a rock for me, and she...
These are hard carpet samples. Racer, which carpet samples do you want? Hey, bud. Gill.
How much time do we have to allow for, Jenny?
Probably 20 minutes. Gill is going to go meet up with his litter mates, at least a couple of them today. He's going to have a reunion. Now that they're 6 months old, they're going to go see each other. And he has no idea. We got Reese's study box for Morris Animal Foundation for the Golden Retriever Lifetime Study, and there's some cool extra stuff in there, a little patch. And here's the box that we send to, we bring that to the clinic. All the tests are in there so that they can do the testing and send them off. You guys. Okay, can you all do spins? Good boys. Can you all do spins? Everyone. Gill, where are you at, buddy? There you go. Reeser, sit. Parker, sit. Yes, good boys. Sit. Good boys, right? Alright, are you ready? You're gonna go for a ride today by yourself. I can't see. Okay, cool. Right. Here we go, bud. Let him move. Thank you. All right. Oh, there they are. Can you tell which one is Georgia? Oh, goodness. Yay! Gill! You want to go see your brother and sister? Come here, Gill. Look at that. Oh, hi. Look at that. Siblings. He's light compared to the others. What do you think? Do you remember them?
Here's Will. Is this one Will?
This one's Gill.
This is Will?
This one's Gill, yeah. The light one. Oh, hi!
That's Will.
You guys are so cute. tired boy now? Does it feel good to be home?
Good boy. See you later. You're a good boy.
Okay, let's go, Papa. All right, Parker. Are you ready? We're gonna go see William. William is one of Parker's former directors for one of his, what is it? Like one of the plays, or two of the plays he's done. And we've been asked to go tonight to visit the cast and give them some motivation on being an animal, because Parker is brilliant at being an animal. And also I think the excuse is just so they can get some Parker lovin's in.
Well, and many of the kids are kids that Parker has performed on stage with before.
Yeah.
Some of them are. We don't know how many. Where he's going.
Parker, do you remember this place? This is where we used to have rehearsals.
You got a fan base waiting for you out there. They've been stalking I was going to warn you. They saw the car.
Oh,
He remembers
cute.
the location.
Yeah, he ran in.
He remembers the location. He's excited.
Oh, cute. Oh, Parker.
Oh my gosh, you're so cute. Hi Parker. Hi Buddy. Oh my gosh.
He's my friend.
You're so precious. You're such a little angel. Hi.
Hey, bud. Hey.
So cute. I'm here too. Oh, you're so cute. The purest dog I've ever met. I'll be hungry.
William came down and met us and said he's got people waiting for him.
The best, huh? All these friends. Our dog was freaked out.
Oh yeah.
He loves people, but he's.
Who is this? You have a Sarah and a Jessica? Oh my goodness, that's too funny. Sarah Jessica Parker right here.
Parker. Hey, buddy.
He's like, I have to see everyone.
Super popular.
So deprived of attention. Right.
If I say reference and framework, nothing was coming out right.
Ref work.
Yeah. Was there anybody that wanted to do it that didn't get to do it?
Can I do that?
Sure, just a second. Here.
Now that trick I remember.
Yes. That's one of the favorites. Here we go, let's go over here. See ya.
She's a sweetheart.
I really like pictures.
Sure. Over here, bud. Parker.
There we go.
I took a few.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I know, it's like, walking through
Walking in my kitchen and I hit my dog on the counter. So I hit my tree and I don't think I should have. There you go. Ready?
Yay. You're beautiful, Parker.
My dog's a piece of chocolate.
My dog.
Final notes, and then we get to say final goodbyes. Okay. Thank you, Parker. Thank you. Let's put everything about Parker in every coach. Every line memorized.
Good luck in your show. We'll come see it. Okay, so we're heading home now. We had fun at the rehearsal. Parker got a lot of attention, and now we have to announce something because we haven't announced it on YouTube yet. Parker has a t-shirt that's out, a limited edition t-shirt, and we'll put a link in the description below if you want to check that out. It's not just t-shirts, you can get any color, you can get a sweatshirt, you can get a long sleeve t-shirt. There's lots of options to choose from. Parker's ready to go home and eat some dinner. Alright, Parker, can you say goodnight? Say goodnight.